So yes sir, Glow Scat 617. Oh shit. Glow Scat 617, it's your boy. This nigga's on back. It's like this nigga could like do some shit with me, my boy. Calm down, G. You're not like that. I would dust shit, my boy. Like, yeah, I did it. Stupid. Anyway, Glow Scat 617. Your boy about to reach 1K, guys. Like shit in the back. Whee! Type shit. Slow POV vlog. Know what I'm saying? I'm dropping the video at 5 p.m. Tap in. Subscribe, like, comment, man. Come on. It's your boy on Dogs. And yo, anybody got merch out there, right? DM me, man. I wear that shit all through my content shit, man. I wear the drip, man. I'm coming out my merch too. I'm coming, man. I'm gonna do it for real. Got some more shit coming too. Got another card meeting I'm hosting again. This time it's got to get sitchy. You feel me? I'm about to turn his lights off. Like he about to go in demon mode. But yeah, man, we better get this, man, content for y'all, man, for real. Boston, man, in the city, man. I brung everybody out that time, man. Love is love. All I did is put, yo, if you see me put my hands up in the city, pull over, man. That's it, man. Pull over, man. It said, what's up? Feel me on my Martin said, what's up? On Dogs, man. Just show love. So I'm through, man. Show your shit off, man. You know what I'm saying? That's it, dog. You know what I'm saying? If you gotta go to work, if you going to work, just turn that shit up for me real quick. But yeah, we just got off of work. It's currently 6:41. Yeah, you know, work hard, play hard. You know what I'm saying? Always have fun. Don't be working all your whole life and just be miserable ass and just be mad at the world because you couldn't do what you could do, but you still can do what you still can do. You feel me? On Dogs, anything's possible and anything you can do. You know what I'm saying? It might not be your time, but it is your time. It was in front of your face the whole time, but you see it, but you didn't see it. So, but you get what I'm saying, though. You've seen it. You seen it, and you saw it, but you couldn't do nothing. But now you can still do something. Don't matter. Yeah, this nigga's happy. I hate when motherfuckers pass you in the lane, right? Like, and they think they going somewhere, but just relax, man. Just be patient. Like I'm in front of like slow motherfuckers. Like they going slow. Then he go. Then what? Okay, look. He gets stuck. Cause he know you know how people get stuck? They go wait. They go act like, oh, he don't see me. Then he go turn over. See that signal? Told you, man. Like, come on. But anyways, yeah, man, you can do what you gotta do, man. Glow Scat 617, I came a long way. That's a fucking rock that hit my window. But I came a long way though. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't believe the journey, it's cool though. It's cool, I accept it. You know what I'm saying? That's even more motivation. Now, if you did believe me, man, that's even more greater motivation to me, you know what I'm saying? I don't care if you didn't or you did. I don't care if you was a stranger. Yo, you could be a stranger, you just doing your thing. A family member doing your thing. Love is love, feel me? But it's like, you know, when I'm busy, I show love too. I always show love. If you don't know, you know. Motherfucker think I don't show love, I do show love. Motherfucker know. Like, I don't care if you don't show me love and shit. At the end of the day, I know I'm gonna get loved. Feel me? Already and being loved. So it don't really matter. Real recognize real, fake recognize fake. Shit, what you wanna do? Fake recognize real, real recognize fake. It don't matter. We get into the shmoney. We get into what they say. They get into the morning. To the morning. I'm getting to the glow morning. The glow morning. The morning. The pesos. But yeah, man, we're in the Skittiana. The Scatty, man. I'm never trading my baby in. This is the dream cars that you go see me in. Alright? This scat getting remodeled. This is day one. I keep my day one. I don't care. I upgrade. I'm getting a few more cars. That's it. I'm getting a heli. You know what I'm saying? Then I land. Feel me? I think that's it. I'll probably get a Hellcat Durango, and a Hellcat Charger too. You know what I'm saying? Then the Lamb. I think the Urus, some shit like, I think it's the Urus I'm gonna get at the Lamb. But the scat is never going nowhere. It's day one and shit. I can't be drinking these monster shit. This shit's, it's 2 times. Fuck that. That shit gotta stop. But yeah, that's it though. When I get up there, I'm gonna get up there, man. Young, still grinding, you know what I'm saying? Family to feed, man, you know what I'm saying? It don't really matter. I'm doing this for, I'm doing it for the fam, and I'm doing it for me. I'm doing it for something I love, you know what I'm saying? I always wanted to do it. Damn, you're fast. Should I catch him? Should I catch him? Nah. I'll be a good Samaritan today. Because I'm going to need gas, too. But yeah, and he's not really going nowhere. Like, come on now. Like, you did a speed pass for me. Then a Jeep behind us. You think I was really cutting up? Nah, my boy. Taking my time talking to, not even my subscribers, I'm talking to the family. The family of the Glow channel, man. It don't matter. The Glow gang. No, my fault, it's cheap keep shit. The Glow fam, you feel me? On dogs. But yeah, just want to talk to y'all real quick, see how y'all doing, you know what I'm saying? Get up in the morning, bro. Don't complain. If you need to complain, do it. And get straight to the morning. Get straight to the morning. Get straight to the morning. You know what I'm saying? Kiss your loved ones, hug them, you know what I'm saying? Shit. Life is always short, so you just enjoy it. We ain't really think about that. We on the positive road. Think about positive, man. You know what I'm saying? Think about every day you could get some money. Money. And how to work with your family, too. You know what I'm saying? I know everybody don't fuck with family, but shit, it is what it is. It be like that. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's perfect. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, family's family. Friends are family. Because I got the F in it. But F stands for fake motherfuckers too. Don't forget that. It's all in the motherfucking same category type shit. This nigga stopping this shit. Oh shit, this nigga see me going 80, nigga. That was a Stadies right there. Yep. Yep. We about to exit. He was chilling. Well, he couldn't, so. Oh. But yeah. Just do your thing. Focus on you. Don't focus on nobody else but yourself. You know what I'm saying? Do what you can do. Shit will come. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta be patient. Don't rush it. It's processing. God's processing you every day. Even when you wake up and shit, He processes you every day. Don't forget. It's real shit. Does this nigga go? Thank you. But yeah, just do your thing. Man, stay humble. You know what I'm saying? Just because everybody around you doing some good shit, you know what I'm saying? But they always got some shit going on as well. So you just put a smile on your face. Motherfuckers going through the same pain as you. I just gotta be careful because this car right here, the Stadies be on tips. It's not like I did anything bad, I'm just saying, but yeah, no. Stay what you gotta do, man. It's fucking hot. Stay blessed. Don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing. Feel me? Like, subscribe, comment, man. Motivation of the day. You know what I'm saying? Get up. Get to the bag, grind. Even though I know you don't want to work your job. Shit, we all don't want to work. But in the day, when we get rich, we still go work. It just could be on our schedule. We pick the motherfucking days. We're our own boss. We all want to be our own boss. You know what I'm saying? It's not hard. It's not easy. Like I say, it's 50-50. You know what I'm saying? If you got the right guidance, then you straight. If you don't, you just learning. Hey, what can you say? You learn everything about new shit every day. Or we already learned it. We just don't want to fucking pay attention or just like, damn, what the fuck? But nah, that's the message of the day, man. Glow Scat 617. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, comment, man. And stay with your boy. You know what I'm saying? All the new subscribers, man, I salute you. You're not a subscriber, your family. I'm not just saying that because you getting me all these shits. It don't really matter. Just like I just see that people support a motherfucker. I started like 2 years ago. Now what? Big 24, big 24 now. We in big 24 now. Shit's crazy. Started like 22-ish. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing YouTube since like high school, but it's like I didn't take it serious. You know what I'm saying? I went viral like one time, but then I was like, you know what? Nah, this ain't it. The dancing shit wasn't it. It was it, but I was like, nah, it's alright. But then something told me, man, this is your destiny, man. Got the scat, started blogging. I got the scat at 23. You know what I'm saying? Got my apartment at 25. Exactly, that's like 2 years. Then what? Even I'm about to turn 26 this year. Then what? You know what I'm saying? I told myself it's either get 1K before 20. Well, at the end of my 26, have a little buzz and shit. No matter what age you are, I don't care. You see everybody, young people really doing it. You know what I'm saying? I'm still fucking young. Don't look my age. The hell? Or I could be, all the young people look older, like they look like they motherfucker my age. I look like I could still be 18. You know what I'm saying? Black don't crack. You dig? You dig? Black don't crack, my boy. But nah, yeah. That's just a message of the day. Not even a message. Just a talk. One-on-one. To all my fans. Nigga said fans. To all the fam. Stay tuned, man. Like, subscribe, comment, man. And your boy bringing some shit to the channel. Oh! You seen that shit? He hit that bird, nigga, knock his wing off, man. He knocked his wing off. Oh, shit. You might could see all that shit was flying everywhere. This motherfucker. What the fuck? I don't know if that's a Stadies, though, because they be in the trucks. I don't know. Homie going slow, that's why. But yeah, we got 61, though. I'm gonna need gas soon, too. Gas. I'ma just see that's not a stadium though. Because yeah, it's not just cause I'm just gonna pass and be a motherfucker. Be a dickhead and shit. There's some stadiums that be dickheads though, no cap. But at the same time, man, they was young too, man. Fuck, man. They know damn well they were doing worse than us, man. Anybody who's a fucking state trooper. They are assholes. But it's like, it's a day some motherfucking good and bad asshole. Like, it's just how you really, like, you can know when a motherfucker's being an asshole. You just be okay. You know what I'm saying? Okay. And when they don't get to you, they be like, damn, I thought I would break him. Fucks no. Fuck you trying to break me for? Just because you being a dick, nigga? The fuck? You give a fuck? You being a dick to yourself. You trying to make yourself look good. But in reality, man, you just looking like, nigga, what? Trying like, what? Well, use that what? Star quarterback. Damn, you see that dead ass animal? Star quarterback, nigga. Think you Mr. Tough Guy and shit. Got that badge and shit. You know what I'm saying? But it be like that. Everybody gets something to be Mr. Motherfucking Macho shit, man. Nigga get a gun, niggas act like Rambo. They get a badge, they act like they're the president. Shit's how life is. It is what it is, it ain't what it ain't. Nah, it ain't no club. They be low-key riding on some shit. Ain't gonna lie to you. This might be a mini blog. I might post that shit right after I get off the shit. Mind you, it's 6. It's about to be 7. You dig? Like, subscribe, comment. Damn. Bust his window out, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Just a POV vibe, man. Nothing too crazy. We got the. Oh, he turned his lights off? Oh, no. Oh, no. So, would I like. Oh. See, when they up there like that, they really watching. You see how fast you going? And they had their mans up there, right? They would have one of their little homies up here, just waiting for you. So yeah, we got him. See someone coming flying down your way, we got him. They're like, copy. I'ma pull out, and he gonna fall right in the trap. I'm like, damn, type shit. That's fucked up. That's that teamwork, man. They working as a team. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers didn't work as a team. You know what I'm saying? That's how they winning. We losing. We work as a team, we winning all day. Fuck you mean? All day. Every day. Fuck, they won't like that. You know what I'm saying? They undefeated. Like, we'll win, like, couple, but they still be undefeated type shit. But we get ours, though. Get back, gang. Get back, gang. Oh shit, I thought he was on the grass, bro. But yeah. Yes, sir, man. Just cruising. Boom, boom. Cruising. I'm so tired. This might be a long ass POV. Cause I'm gonna need some gas, too. This long. That's a car right there. Scream! This dumbass car. What the fuck you doing? Alright, cool. I'm gonna get some gas. I'm gonna hit y'all boys back when I get some gas. I'll tell you how much if I fill it up. Probably ain't gonna be that much though. No cap.